Welcome. If you're tired of your messenger chats disappearing before you want them to, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable disappearing messages on Messenger, so your conversations stay put until you decide otherwise. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Scroll through your conversations and tap on the chat where you want to turn off disappearing messages. This could be with a friend, a family member, or even a group. Just make sure you're in the right conversation. Once you're inside the chat, look towards the top of your screen. Here, you'll see the person's name or their profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the chat settings, where you can adjust various options for this conversation. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Disappearing Messages. This is where Messenger controls how long your messages stick around. Tap on Disappearing Messages to open the settings for this feature. You'll see a few choices here, usually different time limits for how long messages will last before vanishing. To turn off disappearing messages completely, simply choose Off. That's it. From now on, any new messages in this chat will stay visible until you manually delete them. Disabling disappearing messages is a great way to keep your important conversations intact. Whether you're saving memories, keeping track of plans, or just want to reread your favorite chats, this simple change puts you in control. Remember, you can always turn disappearing messages back on if you ever need extra privacy. But for now, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your messages will be right where you left them. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, share it with your friends so they can keep their messenger chats safe too. See you next time.